Hey, hello folks, what's going on? This is King Zach, $1 million bar share. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna show you not a new way to make money online. What I'm gonna show here is a new method that I discovered, and I last time talked about how to make money when they are promoting CPA offers in my previous videos, and a lot of my subs here seems to make a tons of money with it. So I decided to do this video again, showing you a new method to make money with CPA marketing. Okay, if you ever know anything about CPA marketing, please let me know in the comment section below. If you don't know anything about CPA marketing, let me know in the comment section below. I don't know how many of my subs here do know what I'm gonna talk about here and what simple as that. So what we're gonna do here, this one I'm gonna show you here works worldwide. It works everywhere, and you don't need any special skill to get started. You don't need any startup capital. It's absolutely for free to get started with it. And I'm gonna show you the step by step way to set everything up. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to set the system up so you can get started making tons of money right here. So the first one that I'm gonna show you here is, but before we get into that, please, if you're new to this channel here, please I urge you go ahead and smash the subscribe button, because I'm doing videos like this showing different and new ways to make money online. And I don't want you to like this video until I give the value. Okay, don't like the video until I give you the value. At the end of the videos, I can give it a massive value. And if you want to like my videos, if you want to show me some love, you can go ahead and smash the like button, and maybe you can click on the bell icon, okay, so you can get, or you'll be notified anytime I post new videos to make money online here. So the website I'm gonna show you here is CPAGRIP. As you can see here, CPAGRIP here is it's a CPA marketing offer here that we actually gonna monetize, and how to set everything up real quick here. I'm not gonna waste my time here. Not gonna waste them, I don't want to spend my time here. I want to make it very, very short and very concise. Okay, so once you're on CPA here, I always give you the link in the description. You can just go in the description and click on the link. That's gonna take you to CPA here. And what you're gonna do here is actually you're gonna create an account here. But if you create an account, you come over here and you're gonna click on this. Is, as you can see, become a publisher. Okay, we're gonna promote. I'm gonna explain why you're gonna select why you're actually gonna select a become publisher and not as an advertiser. Okay, we don't want to advertise anything on CPAGRIP here. All we're gonna do is publish. We're gonna find offers that's gonna make us a tons of money, and we're gonna actually publish this stuff here. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna click on this button here. So go ahead and click on become publisher, and it's gonna load up very real quick here. And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna create an account on CPAGRIP, and creating an account is absolutely for free. You don't need to spend any money creating an account. It's absolutely for free, and anybody can do it. Okay, it's very, very simple to set it up. What you're gonna do is first you're gonna input your first name right here, your second name here, company you can put any name, maybe your name plus whatever name that you want to use as a company, it doesn't matter. And the website here, you can just copy this YouTube video link here and use that as your website. Okay, it doesn't matter, you can just watch any video or any website address that you want, and you're gonna paste that link here. So it's not compulsory that you're gonna have or you're gonna build a website. Okay, it's from there, so you can do that. Start line to Ghana here. That's just my country here, so it doesn't matter. Okay, but you're gonna put your country there, your city, your state, whatever, all your phone number, and the Skype. You don't have a Skype, you just go into Google and you're gonna type. You can just create a new Skype account, or it's for free. Okay, there's nothing to pay before you get a Skype account. It's absolutely for free. Okay, and what you're gonna do here, this is very important, and this one I want to show you real quick here. As you come over here, publisher type here, what you're gonna select here is GPT. Okay, that's very important. You're gonna select GPT real quick here. Okay, so you don't want to select email or other or whatever. You're gonna select GPT, and I'm gonna explain why you're gonna select GPT here right here in this video, maybe as we go ahead in a few seconds here. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do. And once you're done with that, what you're gonna do here is you're gonna input your password here. Okay, you're gonna input your time zone, and what you did, as you can see, this question here, it says where did you hear about it. So you can type anything like it's very simple. You can type anything you want. You can maybe say I found you on YouTube or Facebook, all right, whatever you want to use is gonna be approved. Okay, so after all that, what you're gonna do is click on this button here, all this check here. You're gonna click on every one of them. You're gonna select them, and once you're done, you're gonna click over here. It says register now. Okay, and they're gonna send you an email to confirm your email that you put in there, and you can do that. Okay, it's very simple. So but I already have an account, a new account for this video here, and I'm gonna log into my account record here. Okay, so let's get into the loading up. This is gonna be a very short video. I don't want to take my time here. I want to make it very short because I got something to do here. I'm gonna work out, so I think I'm gonna make it simple. But don't worry, I'm gonna give you all that you need to set everything up. As you can see, I'm walking through the step-by-step process set this stuff. Okay, so it's very easy. Even I don't show you all that you need to know, you can still figure out how you can do it. Okay, so once you come over here, please log in first. So I'm gonna log into my account here. As you can see, I chose a publisher account, so I'm gonna log in as a publisher. And what I'm gonna do here, you're gonna input my email and my password here. I wish my password could show, but how many of you don't want to know my password here? Okay, let me know in the comment section below. How many of you don't want to see my CPAGRIP password? I may give to some of you if you if you show interest that you want to see my password. Okay, so I'm gonna log in real quick here, and boom, here we got it done. So here is my CPAGRIP dashboard here. As you can see, this is a new account that I created just yesterday. Purpose for this video here, and I just figured it out that this stuff is working, so I decided to do this video and show you that it's working also. So if you come over here, after creating an account or after logging into your CPAGRIP account, you're gonna see something very similar to this on the screen. And what we're gonna do here is come over to offer tools here. As you can see, you're gonna click on offer tools, and you're gonna click on my offers. I don't know if you can see that real quick here, but this is it. Okay, and you're gonna click here, says my offers. Okay, so let's go into that my offers. We're gonna click on my offers, and let's wait for the load up. Loading. Okay, here we got it in, and here you're gonna select US, United States. You don't want to select country. If you're in the United States, you're gonna leave that by default. So you're gonna select US. Okay, and I'm gonna show you why you're gonna select US, because why you are selecting US and not in your country here is because we're gonna promote offers that is based in the United States. Of course, this United States offer is gonna pay your tons. I mean, they pay more money than any other country that you might think of. Okay, so that's why you're gonna select USA, and category say you're gonna leave it to default here. We're not select anything there. Show stuff, we're gonna leave everything default. So we're gonna type here. Okay, but before we get into it, let's see something here. As you can, this offer here is says get best games, but we don't want to promote any of this stuff here. And this offer here is paying out. Can you see that 86 cents here, $1 right click here? Okay, and this offer is enough for $100 Walmart gift card. So this offer is giving out Walmart gift card for $1.37. We're gonna select offer that is paying out a ton of, I mean, more than $1, because we don't want small money, we want big money. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is, as you can see, this offer here says asking now for 750 PayPal gift card. So we're gonna promote a PayPal gift card right click here, and I'm gonna show you how to promote this offer to get a ton of traffic, so you can make the most money that you want. Okay, so what you're gonna do here, what this means is that, as you can see here, this offer is for by email or zip submit. That means anybody that sees your offer that you're promoting, they're gonna leave their email or zip submit here, and once they sign up or once they leave their email or subscribe to the or PayPal gift card that you're offering, instantly CPAGRIP is gonna pay you $2. It's gonna pay you $2.05. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do here. So you're gonna come over here and click on the offer that we are actually promoting, and here, as you can see, we're gonna grab our affiliate link here, and there's the affiliate link is what we're gonna share. As you can see, more info about the product we're promoting. Grab a free 750 PayPal gift card here. So we are promoting a PayPal gift card, and there are tons of people that want free PayPal gift card. I mean, even maybe you might be even interested. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over, and here you're gonna select everything. Don't select anything different here, just leave it to default. And when you come over here, what you're gonna select is copy your affiliate link here. Okay, so once you're done with copying on our affiliate link, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to. There's one thing that you need to do before you start sharing your link. You don't just share your link just like that. Is gonna be, I mean, it might work for you, might not work for you, and I'm gonna just explain why you need to do one of the show here. And this way you're gonna pay a lot of attention here, guys. So when you go over here, you're gonna open another tab in the computer, or if you're using a mobile phone, you're gonna open another tab, and here, as you can see, tiny URL. Okay, we're gonna shorten our long link from which we copy from CPAGRIP here. This is a long link that we copy from CPA, and that's the affiliate link that we're gonna show. Okay, so we're gonna copy this link here, We already done that. As you can see, it's copied. And what we're gonna do here, this link here, can you see? Can you? I mean, when you see this link on your maybe social media feed on Twitter, whatever, I'm sure you're gonna click on this link. The answer is no. You're not gonna click on this link. So what you're gonna do is you're not gonna click on this link because it looks very spammy here. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna shorten this link and make it very concise and attractive so that anybody that sees is likely to click. I said like sorry for that. You're gonna click and they're gonna view the offer that you're promoting. And once they leave their email and maybe a few details about maybe their name, their country, their email, then quickly CPAGRIP is gonna pay you $2.50. Okay. So what you're gonna do here is we're gonna paste our long link very quick here, paste that in there, and as you can see, it's right here, and we're gonna click on this button here. It says make tiny URL. Okay, make tiny URL. So we're gonna click on make tiny URL because we wanna tiny our URL. Okay, so click here, tiny URL, and boom boom, it's done here. So here we got our short link. It's the same link that we just copy from CPAGRIP here, just that here it is shortened and it is very concise here. So we're gonna copy that. Okay, we're gonna copy our link here. As you can see, it's copied. And one of my favorite traffic doors that I always talk about over and over and over and over and over in almost all my videos here is utilizing Twitter. Okay, I don't know, Twitter works so well for me. It really works for me. Okay, there may be tons of free traffic out there, maybe paid traffic as well, but with this method I'm showing here in this video, you don't need to pay you don't need to spend money running paying for traffic. Okay, you can just utilize the free traffic sources and you can make a tons of money with it. Okay, Twitter here works for me all the time. I have very less. This is a new Twitter account that I created very few weeks here, and I'm having very few followers, and I'm still making a ton of money with it. So what you're gonna do here is once you're on Twitter, come over here, search Twitter here, okay? And we're gonna type something like I want free money. I already done this here. So we're gonna type something like I want free money, because there are people on Twitter that are actually looking for free money, okay? They want free money. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna see, or we're gonna catch up these people, and we're gonna send them our link from one PayPal gift card. Okay, so as you can see, this tweet here says any letter don't tie me, I want free money. As you can see here, I want free money, and there are tons, I mean a lot of posts in here that people are asking for free money. As you can see, I want free money, I want free money. So a lot of people here want free money, and what we're gonna do is let's utilize this first post for a while now. Okay, this tweet here, it says I want free money. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna leave a comment. Okay, we're gonna like whatever that we want to do here. But what is important here is we're gonna comment on this tweet here. Okay, and here we're gonna put in our affiliate link here that will come from tiny URL. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna type something like, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. What we're gonna do is come over here. This is a trick that I very often use, and it works for me. Okay, so we're gonna come over here, right click, we're gonna copy the same title here, and we come over to Twitter, and on our comment section we're gonna type here, we're gonna paste that in here. It says grab a 750 PayPal gift card now. Okay, and we can turn something like maybe it works. Okay, or maybe you can leave that whatever you want. It works. Okay, so it works. And you're gonna leave your affiliate link under your comment here. We're gonna leave something like okay, so here we're gonna tweet this. Anybody that's gonna see our comment is gonna click on our affiliate link here, and they're gonna take into the offer that you're promoting here. The offer page is gonna look something very similar to this here, as you can see. And once they leave their email and maybe their name and a few details about themselves, CPAGRIP is gonna pay us $2. Okay, and they're gonna surely grab 750 PayPal gift card here, and that's what all this video is about. And if you think I give you massive value with this video, I urge you please go ahead and smash on that like button and subscribe to this channel, because I'm doing videos every single day showing you ways to make money online. And if you think you grab any value in this video, and if you're curious, maybe thinking about certain things you didn't understand, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna reply you as soon as I read your comment. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the video, and I'll be making more videos. Maybe you can check on the screen, maybe there's a video that might pop up around the screen. You can click any of them and watch for more ways to make money online. Stay safe and today, I'll see you in the next videos, and then goodbye.